All right, family. So I had got this today. We're gonna give it a try. Is this a go or no Joe? All right, let's see. And this is from Beauty Intuition, the lip gloss. Okay. Wait 1 second. They got enough tape on here. Honey, they got enough tape on here. The color, you know, it seems like it's good. Now, the color is Peachy Queen. Okay, peachy. Now, let's get this a go, Joe. Is this a pass or is it trash? Let's see. Oh, oh, nice, this. I like this. Yay. Okay, how you guys feel about this? I like this. Oh, girls. This is cute. This is definitely a pass and not trash. Absolutely love this. What do you guys rate this? 1 to 10. I give this a big 9, a 9.5. This is really cute. And they had other colors too at Dollar Tree, as you guys will see. So nice. Ain't got to think twice. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let the clip roll. Now, some other items that Dollar Tree has is these. This is the air freshener gels. Let's see if the thing is on, if I can actually smell it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get these ices that they have, okay? These right here. These are, I try to get the ones in the back. Let me see, oh no, these. Let me see. These right here, have you guys tried these? This is the Sun-Kissed smoothie bars. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. And then I'm also going to go ahead. I wanted to get one of these to see how they taste. But honey, I'm trying to look for the ones in a bag, okay? But I think this is probably the last one. All right. Okay, so shout out to Anna. All right, I think these the cookies you was talking about, Anna. Let me know in the comment section if these because I seem to be, and I said, is these the cookies Anna was talking about, honey? So I'm gonna try these, and I believe in you, girl. Now I don't know which one, Anna. I don't know. They have the pie orange, and then they also have this one. I'm gonna go in with the pie orange. I think this one has more of a pop to it than this one. All right, family. Okay, so I think these was the cookies Anna was talking about. Now, some of you guys may be like, Tina, who is Anna? Okay, so Anna is a gorgeous girl, okay? She is close to me. We go to the same exact Dollar Tree. And Anna said, I believe these the cookies. Now, Anna, if you see this video, let me know if these the cookies, because I don't want to be saying you said it was these, honey, and it wasn't. Now, me and my lovely daughter, my youngest daughter, Amani, we're going to give these a go, Joe. You want to try these? Okay, so these are Biscolata. I think that's how you pronounce it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever tried this. Okay. If you guys have ever tried it. So, let's see. This has orange in the middle of them. This is the first time I have ever tried these. And I probably, oh, they got the little heart. Oh, look at this. Oh, they soft. Honey, as soon as you do this, it's soft. I think because they have marshmallow in them. I like that orange. I like that orange. It's creamy.
Is that mine?
No, you don't taste the orange? To me, you could taste the orange. It's
Oh,
good.
now I
You
do.
definitely need some milk or some water with this, okay? But I like it. It's nice and fresh.
Is this just like milk or juice?
No, not juice. It's gonna be too sweet.
Good.
This is good. Money, you like them? These are good. This is a pass, not trash. Okay, a pass, not trash.
Now
Now
we going to take the ices.
we gonna try these ices out. Now remember, I had showed you guys these icy. They call Margaritaville, I think. They, honey, I'm excited. I just want the pina colada one. Okay. No, this not the one. The other pack, Amani. So we had got two packs. I had showed you guys this one, but these not the ones that I'm excited about. Is the other one? No, Amani. Let me see the whole pack. No, the whole pack of the other one. Okay. Oh, these now all the way frozen. Wait, hold on. These now all the way frozen. So this one is the pina colada.
That's the one I want to try.
Take that one. This one there.
It's not even frozen.
It's cold. Oh, that's good. That's good.
Miss.
I forgot I had these beef patties at home.
Honey, and I'm telling Amani, saying it's too sweet. Here I am eating this, drinking this.
Now you're helping me.
It's it.
Messy. Now can I help?
This is good. All right, calm down, girl.
God
This is good. The pina colada one. This is good. Now, I'm a pina colada girl.
Yeah. And you grabbed the last two.
That's good. Amani. No, bite it. Bite across there. Do you guys remember when the long ices used to be at $1.25? I mean, at 25 cents? Huh?
This not it. This not that.
You sure? Look at
You don't
the
have the
label.
name.
Oh.
I don't know.
It's hard.
Do you guys remember when the long ices was 25 cents and you go to the store by your house and they was 25 cents? Oh my goodness, they was the best. So good. You gotta bite it. Just bite across it. All right, family. So this is definitely a go. Absolutely love it. All right, my love. So we got our items. Now we're going to go to checkout. All right, family. So they definitely had a thing on here. So you definitely, you can't smell nothing. Dollar Tree said, no, you're not. No, you're not. But somebody opened this. Honey, I did not do. When I tell you this smells good. This smell. Oh. This smells so good. The Peach Blossom Crystal Bees air freshener. When you go to your nearest Dollar Tree, see if they have these and you smell them and you let me know in the comment section exactly how these smell. They smell amazing. $1.25. Now this is the Peach Blossom. They have two different ones. This, the bright bergamot, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then they also have the Peach Blossom. This one. I couldn't smell the other one anyway. All right, my love. So we got our items. Now we're going to go to checkout. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day is going to get better once your perception gets better. Honey, today is Glorious Monday. Now, I know some of you folks probably stuck in the office, but honey, that is okay, because when you finish work, you better come on outside. Now, today we are at the Dollar Tree in a place to be. I got my homegirl Samantha with me. Okay, we're gonna see if they're gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Let's see what they have inside. Okay, family, so Dollar Tree has the Beauty Intuition, the lip gloss. Okay, get ready to shine. Absolutely love these. These are really, really cute. I like this pink one, Juicy Cherry. You know what? I have this in the lipstick. Okay, really good. And then they also have the Dusty Rose, and then they also have the Peachy Queen. Oh, the Peachy Queen is a nice. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. Now, Dollar Tree also have these mirrors over here. These are $1.25, honey, and a place to be. All right, family, so you guys remember these makeup bags, $1.25. Now, these were out during Mother's Day. Dollar Tree done brought them back, honey, $1.25. The first one says, Mama. They also have this one that says Stuff. This is cute. I absolutely love this. The blue and the white for me, girl. All right, some other items that Dollar Tree has, honey. We've seen these, some of these. These are the eyeshadow sticks, the matte espresso, the lip pumpers, the amethyst shimmer. The purple one I really, really like. Okay, they also have the Curiosity Gray, more lip pumpers. This one is cinnamon sugar, and then they also have the cranberry shimmer, the Loyal Gold. Now this is a liquid eyeshadow, and then they also have some more eyeshadows like the vanilla shimmer, cranberry shimmer again, and then they also have the Honest Pink. This one is a liquid eyeshadow as well, $1.25. If you guys are definitely looking for some hydrating under eye concealer, honey, Dollar Tree isn't a place to be. Okay, this is $1.25. Now, they come in different shades. This one right here is medium. So the two colors, the two shades they have is the tan and also medium. Alright, so Dollar Tree has the Oxidol, okay, Oxygen Orange All Purpose Spot Cleaner. Let me tell you something. Now, I have never used this a day in my life. Okay, don't get me to lying. These are $1.25. They have the orange one, and then they also have the Power Oxygen Base Cleaner. I guess original scent. Let me see. I guess original scent, $1.25. Dollar Tree had the Pink Solution Paste. Oh my goodness, when I tell you that thing worked miracles, it was so good. Now look at this. Dollar Tree, honey, come on and get fancy with me. Dollar Tree has this ultra liquid dish soap. I guess this is the dupe from Dawn. Cuts Tough Grease. Yes, honey, Cuts Tough Grease. This is $1.25. They also have the Ultra Foaming Dish Soap. Now, I did buy this before, but with the nozzle, I don't know. It seemed like it wasn't working the way it should have been working. In the beginning, it was working good, but then later on. So this is $1.25 as well. Another dish detergent, dish soap is really, really good is this one, okay? The Fabuloso Watermelon Scent smells delightful. They also have the lavender scent. Now, these are kind of new scents. They came out probably like a month or so ago. They smell really, really good. $1.25. Another goodie is these soaps. Now, I told you guys last time about these soaps. Don't sleep on them, child. This is the lavender, and then they also had, I believe it was it the peppermint? Oh my goodness. When I tell you these smell so good, it smells amazing. For $1.25, this is definitely a steal deal. Okay, my loves, have you guys seen this? So one of the things that I absolutely love about Dollar Tree, honey, is the newness. Now, Dollar Tree has this Hot 6 Thick and Long Deep Penetrating Hair Strengthening Protein Treatment. Okay, so it reconstructs damaged hair, strengthens weak hair, promotes thick and long hair, prevents split ends, reduces breakage, adds a body. So you get two of these for $1.25. They have a few more. Let me show you guys what they have. Now, Dollar Tree also have the coconut cream conditioner, 100% pure coconut milk. Now, I told you guys last time, one of the phenomenal things that I do with coconut oil is I oil pull, okay? Oil pulling is really, really good. It gets rid of the bacteria and also the plaque and stuff. Have your teeth shiny, okay? Shining bright like a diamond. Yes, child. So you get 2 packs of these. Now, honey, you ain't gonna oil pull with this, okay? This is for your hair. Restores vibrancy to dry, brittle hair and helps maintenance, repair, damage, and breakage. You get 2 of these for $1.25. They also have the can too, 2-pack for $1.25. Something else that's really, really amazing is these combs right here. These volumizing combs, absolutely love this. I had purchased one of these before. And then they also have the combs, these real, you know those combs that you drop on the floor and then they break, like some of the teeth may break? Those are good quality combs. I like those combs way better than these. So these, you get 4 pieces for $1.25. That is a deal. Now, if you really want to be fancy, honey, you want to have your toilet bowl smelling good, you gonna come and get some of this Lysol, all right, for the toilet bowls. They say it lasts for 2 weeks freshness. I don't know about 2 weeks, but honey, I can tell you that it smells good. Now, another thing that's for the toilet bowl is the Stinky Bowl Cleaner. But like I mentioned to you guys before, you do not want to put any cleaning solution inside the toilet when you use these, because you won't be able to smell this, okay? So if you really want the smell of this, when I tell you, this smells really, really good. And when I say cleaning solutions, I'm talking about like those blue tablets. You know those little blue tabs that you can put in the toilet so it can disinfect the commode? You don't want to use that when you're using this, because you won't smell it. But this smells absolutely amazing. Amazing. Spending quality time with your children, with your family, honey, is these Puzzle Bug Deluxe Piece Puzzle 500. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. 500 thicker pieces, $1.25. Say yes to adventures. This puts me in the mind of Jim Carrey movie. You remember the movie Jim Carrey had, Yes Man? If you have not watched that movie, I don't know where you're from, okay? That movie is so funny. Yes Man, I think it's called Yes Man or something like that. It's really, really funny. They also have this puzzle set right here, Deluxe 500, $1.25 as well. One of the things that is really, really fun when you're doing the puzzles, it helps you think, okay? So, really, really good. Now, we talked about this last time. If you guys are definitely looking for some quad chairs, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These quad chairs are $9. They come in 2 different colors. They have the red and then they also have the blue. So if you guys are looking for some summer items, as you can see, honey, I was going to say in a place to be, but honey, let me deliver the tea. They don't have that many items when it comes to the summer stuff, honey. They are sold out mainly. But this is so cute. I had showed you guys these last time. I absolutely love these, $1.25. And honey, it's definitely the watermelon for me, right? This huge thing is so, so cute. Really, really nice. Okay, so our total is $504. All right, family, let me know which items that you liked, okay? I'm going to go home and I'm going to put the ices in the freezer so I could try them out for you guys and let you know, Samantha, if it's a pass or trash with the ices, okay? Until next time, keep rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Honey, my friend was about to just step in a poop. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.